Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your WhatsApp account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your WhatsApp account, let's open up our WhatsApp app. And after opening your WhatsApp app, the interface will be similar to this. And after landing over here, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there and you can see the settings option up here at the bottom of the dialog box. Tap on settings, and after that you can see the account option available at the first. Tap on account, and after that you can see the delete my account option available over here. Tap on delete, and after that you will be required to enter your details, which is your number. Just type in our number like this and type in our number and tap on delete account like this to delete your account, and type a reason. I'm changing my device or testing. And after that simply tap on delete my account to delete your WhatsApp account. And there guys, this is the process to delete your account. And after you tap on delete my account, which is the red one over here on the middle of the screen, your WhatsApp account will be deleted. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.